Today's video is on how to mask dark circles.
My name is Deepica Mutyala, and I have been in the beauty industry for about a decade.
Hi guys. Hey guys.
Did you ever expect to get 4 million views?
I've been a beauty influencer for the past 3 years, and now I've taken everything I've learned and decided to start something new. My very own beauty brand. Day official 1. I want this to be a brand that unites all tinted women. It's almost like the anti-beauty campaign you would normally see. It's been a crazy year of taking on a lifelong dream. What up, New York? This is recording.
We glowed up, we glistening.
I'm going to show you the ups and downs and everything in between. It's a wrap! I have a lot of questions.
Glowed up.
Let's get ready. It's all happening to live tinted.